Welcome to the Cartoon Home Network educational videos. Today's lesson is about germination of seeds. Monocot and dicot seeds develop in different ways, but both contain seeds with a seed coat, cotyledons, endosperm, and a single embryo. In both monocots and dicots, food reserves are stored in the endosperm. However, in non-endospermic dicots, the cotyledons act as the storage. In a seed, the embryo consists of main parts, the plumule and the radicle. Germination process. A seed with a tiny embryo inside remains in the ground until conditions are right for the seed to germinate. After the seed coat splits, the embryo root begins to grow into the soil. Now the embryo can get water. Food in the seed feeds the embryo as the shoot or stem grows upward the light. The stem grows, leaves develop, and the roots spread in the soil. Now the seedling can make its own food. Volcanic activity. Volcanic activity has an important role in mountain formation. Volcanoes do not occur at random. They form long chains which are essentially the boundaries of tectonic plates. Volcanic activity is a process where magma is ejected to the surface of the earth out of its crust. Crater. This is the mouth of a volcano which surrounds a volcanic vent. Lava flow. This is molten rock that erupts from a volcano. It solidifies as it cools. The human digestive system. Today's lesson will be about the human digestive system. The human digestive system, which is also known as the digestive tract, the GI tract, the alimentary canal. It is a series of connected organs leading from the mouth up to the anus. The digestive system functions to process the food we eat, it absorbs the nutrients, and it removes the waste products. It is usually divided into 8 parts. The mouth. The mouth starts the process by ingestion and mechanically breaks down the food we eat into a swallowable form, adding some early secretions to start the process of digestion. The esophagus is the muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. A ring-like muscle at the end of the esophagus controls the passage of food into the stomach. This ring-like muscle also controls the food from going back up into the esophagus. The stomach. The stomach mechanically breaks down the food and adds digestive acids, while the small intestine chemically breaks down the food with digestive enzymes and absorption of nutrients and water. There are millions of tiny finger-like projections lining the small intestine called villi. These villi aid in the absorption of the nutrients. Secretions from the liver, pancreas, the gallbladder are emptied into the small intestine. They also aid in the digestive process.